The Credit Cartel: How to Master the Algorithm and Extract Wealth from a Rigged System. In the high-stakes world of commercial intelligence, the early pioneers of the sovereignty movement identified a chilling reality. Your credit score is not a badge of honor. It is a sophisticated control mechanism. The Fair Isaac Corporation, known as FICO, and the three major bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, are not consumer protection agencies. They are massive data mining corporations that sell your financial behavior to the highest bidder. In their most recent filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, these three giants reported over $15 billion in combined annual revenue. They profit every single time you borrow, and they have zero incentive to help you borrow less. You are the product, the lenders are the clients, and the scoring model is engineered to measure exactly how much profit can be extracted from your life. However, where the early movement faltered was in its conclusion. They saw a rigged game and told you to opt out, freeze your credit, and hide in the shadows. But an operator knows that walking away from the system only creates more friction. Without a score, you pay the highest insurance premiums, you are denied leases, and you're locked out of the capital that runs the world. The score is not just a surveillance tool. It is a price mechanism that determines what you pay for access to money. The difference between paying 22% interest and 4% interest is the difference between being a victim and being a master of the game. You do not beat a rigged system by refusing to play. You beat it by learning the rules so well that you move differently than everyone else. The first rule of commercial warfare is to control what gets reported. Most people are oblivious to the difference between their payment due date and their statement closing date. The bureaus do not see your daily spending. They only see what your creditor reports on the statement date. If you pay your balance down to under 10% just 3 days before that statement closes, your utilization reports as near zero, and your score skyrockets. This is the utilization secret. Same spending, different outcome. FICO rewards those who understand the reporting cycle, and a 5% utilization versus a 30% utilization can mean a massive 80-point swing in your score. To build a professional-grade credit architecture, you must also master the length of history and the credit mix. Your oldest accounts are structural assets. Never close them, even if you do not use the card. Keep it active with a small recurring charge. A proper mix of revolving credit and installment loans, like an auto or mortgage note, signals to the algorithm that you are a low-risk operator. You can even leverage the authorized user strategy by having a trusted associate add you to a high-limit account with a decade of perfect history. This transfers their positive data to your file instantly. This is not a glitch. It is a documented feature of the system that you must exploit to build your leverage. The ultimate move is the separation of entities. To truly achieve financial autonomy, you must separate your personal identity from your commercial activity. By establishing an LLC and an EIN, you create a new corporate persona that builds its own credit profile on Dun & Bradstreet. This allows you to sign contracts and access business lines of credit that do not appear on your personal report. You can use your high personal score to co-sign for your business, unlocking $50,000 or $100,000 in capital, and then let the business stand on its own. This is how you move from being a consumer to being a creditor who no longer asks for permission. If the system is rigged with errors, as the Federal Trade Commission confirmed in a study showing 1 in 5 consumers have material mistakes on their files, then the Fair Credit Reporting Act is your documented weapon. Under 15 U.S.C. 1681, the bureaus are legally obligated to investigate disputes within 30 days. Anything that is unverifiable must be deleted. Do not use a generic template. Use a specific statutory challenge. The system does not care what you believe in, and it does not care if you consent to being scored. The only question that matters is, do you control your position? Build your file, master the algorithm, and extract the value you deserve. Please subscribe so you'll be notified of new uploads. Press the like button. It helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.